In today's video, I'm going to teach you GoHighLevel. Free trial sign-up cards declined? Easy fix. If you've tried starting a GoHighLevel free trial and your card keeps getting declined, don't worry. I'll walk you through the full sign-up flow and show you the simple fixes that make checkout go through smoothly, without adding extra steps. Start by opening the official HighLevel website in your browser and heading to the 30-day free trial page. Make sure you're on the legitimate HighLevel domain to avoid redirects or broken affiliate links that can sometimes cause form glitches. Click the 30-day free trial button. You'll land on a simple two-step form. On the first page, you'll be asked for your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. Enter real, accurate details here. Use the business or brand name you want tied to your account. Type your legal name exactly as it appears on your payment method. That tiny detail helps prevent mismatches later. Use an email you actively check because your login and onboarding messages will go there, and add a phone number you can receive texts or calls on for important account alerts. Before moving on, scan for typos, especially in your email and phone, since a single character error can block confirmations. Next, click Go to Step 2. This opens the secure payment section for the free trial. Even though it's a trial, a valid card is required to verify your account and prevent abuse. You won't be charged until the trial ends, as long as you're within the stated trial period. Here's the easy fix for most declines. Use a real, bank-issued credit or debit card that supports online and recurring transactions. Avoid prepaid, gift, burner, or masked virtual cards. These are commonly blocked by fraud filters. Enter the cardholder name exactly as your bank has it on file, and make sure the billing address, including zip or postal code, matches your statement. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV for any spacing or digit mistakes. If you're using a business card, match the business billing address precisely. Also, disable any VPN while submitting, since location mismatches can trigger declines. If the form still feels glitchy, refresh the page or try a different modern browser or a private window to clear autofill issues. Once your details are correct and you're using a supported card, submit the form. You should see a confirmation and immediate access to your new HighLevel account. That's it. Smooth, simple, and no more declined messages.